guys. Let me get closer. Oh my gosh. So, hey you guys. I ain't even feel a lot of y'all. I really and truly don't feel like doing anything. But the aftermath of my birthday haul, the aftermath of my birthday trip, the aftermath of a try-on haul, the aftermath of shopping, what else? The aftermath of a photo shoot. I'm gonna put some pictures right here so you guys can see it because it turned out so freaking amazing. Basically, everything that I packed on my birthday trip, I just recycled it again to do the shoot because for my birthday, I really didn't feel like recording content. I was just kind of over it. Not over it in a bad way. Over it in like, I want to enjoy my birthday and not have a camera in my face. Like that, kind of over it. You know what I'm saying? So, I just try to enjoy my birthday. So 50% of the outfits that I took for my birthday, I then did it for this photo shoot, which turned out great because the lighting was perfect. Like I said, I'm gonna share some pictures. I guess I'll put it here because right now I'm here, right? Let me just tell y'all now. I had given Fashion Nova a long break. I'm talking about a very long break just because of the whole situation with this and this and this and this and this. But I'm gonna be honest, these little boutiques and their prices have been going up and up and up and up. And honestly, if I want to support a black owned business, I'll go and pay the $80, $60, $100 for something. But at the rate of how these photo shoots is going, I cannot afford to pay my photographer his fee. And I'll be very transparent. My photographer is $500. I think that's pretty much what most people pay. I do take some of my pictures myself, but when I really just want to like not be bothered with all the, you know, I do want to use him. And then to turn around and have to purchase clothing, which can be another $500, I would rather, you know, do a couple of pieces from Zara, which essentially this is one, and then do, you know, one or two things from Fashion Nova, and then try to gaze through my closet and see what I can mix and match with new pieces. And to me, that's just a lot more feasible. This last photo shoot only cost me, and I say only, you see what I mean? Like, I don't want to do nothing today. I just want to be in the bed, but I know I can't leave my closet like this. What was I saying? This last photo shoot only cost $160, $170, which is a whole lot better than what I paid for the last one, which in terms of clothing, I'm sure I spent a good $600-700. I will say for the most part with social media, there is a return on investment because I'm posting it on social media, but still I have to find a way to bring costs down because it's just too expensive trying to do all this stuff. And so that's where I'm at. So my closet looks a hot mess, but today we, as in me, I'm gonna clean my closet, y'all, because I need to put my boots up. I got shoes everywhere, clothes everywhere, lotions, creams. I unpacked my suitcase. Still got stuff over there. I did do a little bit of laundry the other day, which is good. But I still have so much more to do. I understood the assignment this time, honey. These pictures came out fire. I think my spirit and my body wanted to be outside with this photo shoot. So they came out real good. It's been about 2 years since I've done like an outside photo shoot. I've been doing things inside the house, and my friends encouraged me like, you need to do like something outside, like just kind of go, you know, back and forth. I was like, I don't know. Anyway, I'm just letting y'all know that if I could snap my finger and have a twin right now, and she come in here and clean for me, I wouldn't be mad. Or even if somebody called me and said, hey girl, let me come keep you company while you clean, I wouldn't mind that either. But I really don't have any like close. I don't want to say that because one of my friends is going to see it and they'll be like, girl, you could have called me. I just don't want to bother people. I'm going to clean my closet, and I do know that halfway through cleaning, I'm going to be excited. I'm going to be happy because I'm going to see my floor again. Because right now I can't see my floor. The floor is lava. I don't want to do this because it's going to make the shoulder go up on a Tuesday. I realize I have a lot of orange. I like orange, but I'm not like a huge fan of red. And I'm looking at my closet now, and I'm like, I have a lot of orange. Like orange, burnt orange, rust. That looks like that tends to be the colors that I gravitate towards. But anyway, you guys, I'm going to try to clean up. Clean up.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
You guys, last minute on my trip to South Carolina, I went on Amazon and I ordered this. It's actually really, really good. It fit like 5 outfits and I had my shoes hanging at the bottom. This was easy. I mean, you could buy a much better one, but like I said, it was last minute. I had already spent so much money on clothing, and I knew I was going to spend money on things for my birthday. I didn't want to spend a whole lot, but this came in clutch. It was easy for the guys to take the things out of the car, the suitcase and everything. So I'll leave this link down below, and I'm going to leave this makeup case also, because all of my makeup, like my everyday makeup, is in here. Face sprays, brushes, everything. Let me open this real quick so you guys can see, like, all of my makeup is in here. I hope you guys can see from far over there. And it was easy to travel with. And like I said, this came in clutch. And did I bring my steamer? I don't know. I don't remember, but it came in very, very handy. If you guys don't keep your dusters, you should. And the only reason why I say you should is because when I pack my bag, I automatically put my clothing and my handbags in these dust bags, especially my red bottoms. I have one that's like a cowhide. I needed to protect that at all costs. At all costs. And so I have my handbags in there and all that. So save your dusters too, so when you're traveling, you can pack your stuff. All right, I'm out of breath. I'm tired, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Girl.
Okay, multitask. That's what I'm talking about.
Listen, one thing I'm going to tell you, I try not to make YouTube work because I really do enjoy what I do. So I really try not to make it work. That's why I don't try to, like, when I say pretend content, people be like, something. I'm like, yeah, when I say pretend content, like, make some stuff up. Like, you're gonna see my face how I am that day. You're gonna get, you know, whatever mood I'm in that day. Like, I'm not gonna, like, I don't know how to say it, but, like, every day isn't gonna be one of them days where it's like, oh my gosh, it's so amazing. I know. You guys, another thing, I have these acrylic belt organizers from Amazon also. I ain't finna lie, I'm gonna give it to y'all. Amazon be having some stuff. You gotta look, but they do be having some stuff on there. I have to actually do an Amazon live here in a little bit, and I'm gonna share most of these things because I've actually been finding some really good little stuff now that I'm on my travel stuff now. And when I say travel, I'm not leaving the country, but I am. My plan is to visit things in the U.S. that I would never even visit. is what I would like to do.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide.
Y'all, I should go take a nap. Because I am tired. Should I wash these jeans? I feel like I've worn them enough times. Oh yes, I should wash these jeans because they dirty. You guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you. It looks really good. Am I gonna finish today? I don't think so. Just being honest with you and myself, okay? But it looks really, really good. Dusters for the busters. I'm happy. I'm really happy. Got a little bit of decluttering. Put some stuff up. Got some stuff in the trash. I'm gonna do laundry tomorrow. The crazy thing is, I set my alarm. I set my alarm to take my medication and I still forget. And then tomorrow, my friend's supposed to come. I gotta do my hair, well, just straighten it and fix it and do my makeup. My friend called and she's gonna come by so we can do like a little quick photo shoot in the house. Cause I use those pictures for the thumbnails on Instagram, like the reels and stuff. So she's gonna come and just take a few pics. So I'm excited about that.
Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to.
You guys, I'm calling it a day for a lot of y'all. I'm finna go take a shower and just lay down and probably watch TV for a few hours. I'm tired. I did do a lot. Tomorrow I will go through these mails. Most of them are already paid, but I'll go through and just shred everything. I'm just really tired. And I realized I'm tired because today I did not take my medication. And so I'm tired. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and rest and try again tomorrow. And I got to go get some more B12 because I just realized I'm out also. Just took my last one. So my energy is depleted. I'm exhausted and I feel like, I don't know how to explain it. It feels like I'm carrying like a book bag on my back is what it feels like. And so I'm trying to push through that feeling to get things done. I feel like I got a lot done today. But I'm going out of town again. So half of the stuff I'm packing, I'm going to have to repack. So that's why I'm not trying to go too crazy with everything. I'm going to sweep really quickly, which I'm going to do off camera just because it'll probably get done later on tonight. All these things are closed. But that's it, you guys. Please, 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 I beg thee. Have an amazing day. I'm going to go get me some rest.